Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enter your W-2 in TurboTax quickly and correctly. First, log into your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. Once you're inside, go to the Wages and Income section and click on Add a W-2. Now, you can either import your W-2 automatically if your employer is listed, or choose to enter it manually. If entering manually, carefully type in all details exactly as shown on your W-2 form, including employer information, wages, and taxes withheld. Double-check each number to avoid errors. After entering the information, click Continue and review the summary screen to confirm everything looks accurate. TurboTax may ask a few follow-up questions, so answer them based on your situation. Once done, your W-2 will be saved and added to your return. And that's it. You've successfully entered your W-2 in TurboTax. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.